first impression on a new product from Tressallure's Tress Tech line. This is their dual leave-in conditioner. I'm really excited about this one. It says instantly tames frizz by adding softness, smoothness, and shine. But someone had said that they used this and then their wig wasn't as tangly throughout the day. So I'm going to start right now by doing a test. So we're going to shake this really well. I'm going to spray this on, but I'm also going to make sure that I spray it in the nape, because you know the nape is where we get like a lot of tangles. And so let's see what we're doing. First is the smell. It smells a little bit like the wax, a little bit maybe floralier. Not terrible. You know, I'm very sensitive to smell. I'm gonna go ahead and bring this napey part. We're gonna spray this on there, and then I'll comb it through. Hard to do this with one hand, but I wanted to do this to be a genuine first impression. Okay. And then I will come back to you and do some updates throughout the day, and then I'll compilate all these into one video. This was wet, by the way. Okay. It feels good. So far, so good with the smell and the feel of the product. So I will, like I said, I will come back to you and give you some updates. Let me see about this. I'm very curious to see, especially if this helps tangling throughout the day. This is game changer. So this is the Tress Tech from Tressallure, the dual leave-in conditioner, brand new from Tressallure. I will have it on my website soon, tmwigs.com, but you can message me in the meantime to order. Okay, bye. Hello. Okay, so this is a check-in. I've had this on for a couple hours. This is a check-in for this dual leave-in conditioner from Tress Tech to see if it helps with the tangling. So I haven't touched this or anything. I've had it on a couple hours. Let me get it over here. I'm just going to take my hands through here. I mean, there's a little bit, but not a ton. So this is just me running my hands through, and then I'll comb and see. There's a little bit of catching, but it's not too bad. Like I said, I haven't combed it for several hours. And is it helping comb through? I mean, it's coming out pretty easily. Look at that. That was just a couple. So, I mean, it is kind of helping the combing out. So it says it tames frizz by adding softness, smoothness, and shine, but it could really be helping the detangling. All right, let's try this again. So I have to go work with kids for a couple hours, so I'm not going to comb this. So this is combed out. I'm going to spray a little bit more just to see, and then we will come back and really know, after a couple hours of messing around with some kids, if it does help the detangling. All right, I will give you, I promise not to comb this at all until I come back later tonight. So right now, yeah, we're pretty good. I can run my fingers through easily. I'm pulling all this product through, and the nape is good right now. So I guess we shall find out. Okay, bye. Okay, so it's many hours later. You can see like my face is shiny. Some of my oils are peeking through. So I literally have not combed this wig for several hours now. And we'll see how tangly it is and how easily the tangles come out. So it's, you know, it tangled a little bit, but I mean, I've had it on for hours without combing it at all. And the comb seems to be going through pretty easily. And this is the place where I was interested, because, you know, it gets like matted, especially if you don't comb it at all for hours. I mean, there you go. I don't know. I'm going to keep testing it out, but it does seem to be helping a little bit with the tangling. So that's interesting. Let me see. Okay. Oh, that was just from me pulling it over. Yeah. That was easy to comb out. For not combing it for hours and working with kids and doing this and doing that, so far so good. So this sort of dry conditioner, I'll keep testing it out, but I mean, it could really help with your daily tangling. I forgot, I missed a little section. There you go. All right, that's what I have.